This crab was being a total asshole in the fish tank. So he got evicted and introduced to this guy. This is a porcupine puffer fish, and he is not nearly as friendly as he looks. Look at him go to town. That a hungry little bastard, isn't he? They can bite through damn near anything with those beaks. A little crab like that means nothing to him. It's just a lunch. Adorable and horrible at the same time. And he just wants another crab. Don't be an asshole. That's the only moral to this story.